Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will talk about Akansha Puri. Akansha Puri, long celebrated for her ethereal beauty and evolving on-screen presence, stunning fans once again with a breathtaking new photoshoot that effortlessly fused modern elegance with a classical charm. With each new set on visual, she doesn't just wear an outfit, she wear a mood, a story, a transformation. This shoot mark a bold step in her fashion evolution, sending rips across entertainment and fashion industry. Draped in a pristine white body, hugging a symbol that gracefully wrapped around her curves, Akansha appeared nothing short of a fashion goddess. The dress, minimal embellishment but rich in structure, symbolized both vulnerability and power. The soft flowing fabric contrasted beautifully with her fair expression, giving her the aura of a woman in control, serene yet commanding. The makeup was a masterclass in subtle sophistication. Her dewy skin glowing under natural light, her cheekbones sculpted to her perfection, nude lips and bold smoky eye brought drama to her face. While her softly tousled wave framed her profile like a painting in motion, the look was both cinematic and editorial, offering a blend of beauty that was timeless and bold. What truly set this photoshoot apart was striking use of location, set against a gritty urban backdrop, raw walls, open and still space, and muted concrete tones. The contrast between her soft, feminine grace and the hue surrounding created usually poetry. It felt as if she was reclaiming the space, bringing light and allure to an otherwise abundant world. Akansha's expression and body language in this shoot tell a layered story. In some frames, she looked directly into the camera with a grace so intense and almost challenge the viewers. In others, she looked away, lost in thought, inviting the audience to imagine what's on her mind. Each pose, each turn of the head or flicks of the wrist was a statement, sensuality and elegance in balance. Though the outfit was devoid of the excessive accessory, the minimalism only added to the allure. A dainty diamond bracelet on the wrist and a pair of sleek lustre were the only adornments. Letting a natural charisma shine through, the message was clear. Akansha doesn't need ornamentation, she herself is the centerpiece. The photoshoot also echoes Akansha's personal and professional transformation. From mythological roles on television to bold real-life statements on reality shows, she has shown time and again that she is unafraid of change. This shoot can be seen as a metaphor for that metamorphosis, a woman shedding old layer and embracing her most authentic and modern self. The creative direction diverse opposed to the photographer played with angles and shadow to give each image and cinematic touch. Framed at curve inner motion in mind-blowing moments brought the picture alive. These were static portraits. They left like silk from a story yet to be bold, like chapter from a visual diary on a modern muse. Social media has been buzz since the release of photos. Fans and celebrity alike has been showing with compliments, not just for beauty, but for boldness and confidence. She now read it is. She carving herself space, fashion icon, bold personality, and the passion of reinvention. Akansha Puri latest photoshoot, not just a collection of pictures, a declaration of freedom, of confidence, of standing tall of one's truth. It's a beautifully short reminder that beauty's like and simplicity, strength lies in softness, and transformation in the most powerful style statement of all. Each pose, each turn of the head or flicks of the wrist was a statement sensuality and elegance in balance. Through the outfit was devoid of the excessive accessory. The minimalism only added to the allure. A dainty diamond bracelet on the wrist and a pair sleek lustre were the only adornments. Letting a natural charisma shine through, the message was clear. So guys, here's the some detail of Akansha Puri, and if you like this video then don't forget to subscribe Celeb Clip for more videos like this.